Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce C&A, the Dutch clothing store. This is the way we say C&A. 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 So yes, these two letters and symbol we all say together. C&A. C&A. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We also have memberships available with perks such as requesting words and sentences. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!